Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to discuss about Facebook shop ads. I know that not all of you have them, but still there is one thing that I have spotted and we have to discuss about it. So I know that shop ads is not in all countries and mostly in the United States, but let me tell you that they are working flawlessly there. So whoever is using them, I would still continue producing content for that, especially for companies that they have a very big catalog and stuff. They are super helpful. There is one thing that I have realized that I didn't know. I don't know if you know it. So basically you need to be careful of your stock, because if you're having an ad which is having website and shop, and then on the ad level as a destination you're sending to the landing page of the product, if this product went out of stock, then you're getting this error. And you are also getting here this if you go to the changes, and you will see that Meta has actually changed that because it's out of stock basically, okay? And when you go inside your ad, you're seeing this over here which says that you're not able to use this product anymore because it's out of stock. This is important, right? Because a lot of times when we're running ads and we're having something out of stock, it doesn't mean that we necessarily close our ads. There are a lot of cases that they have items that they are out of stock and I still keep them because the ROAS is there, and maybe they're going to be a stimulation for people to click because they like the product which is a bestseller and they will buy something else. But in that case, Meta is just closing our ads, and I'm not going to allow to Meta to just close my ads if stock comes out. This is a decision that I'm going to make based on the ROAS. So the situation is this. What I have found as a workaround is to send people to, since we're talking about bestsellers here, to send people to the bestseller page, because yes, you can not only pick individual pages over there from the products, but you can pick also collection pages. So instead of sending people to your landing page, which is the product details of this product, you can send them to a collection page which is having the best sellers, and one of the first options is going to be this specific product which is your best seller. Anyway, if they're being sorted by sales, it's going to be anyway there as a first or second or third option because of the sales and the volume that it's going to have. So that's what I wanted to tell you. Just a small video. By the way, they didn't even send you a message. You just go and you see closed ads, for example. So just to avoid that, if you have problems with your stock, okay, if you don't have any issues, it's okay. But if you have problems with your stock, just try to send to collection page instead of the actual product page, because if it goes out of stock, Facebook is going to just turn off your ads. It just turns them off in the ad level, not in the ad set. It doesn't even send you any message to ask you, so it does it automatically. So be careful with that. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, you can check my course, you can check my website, and until we meet again guys, be creative and be consistent.